morning. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Kayla and this is Ben, and we travel around the world when we're not working. And today we are headed to Tokyo, Japan. So it's a really long travel day. It's our longest travel day ever, I think. Well,
it's not. I think, yeah, it's our longest travel day ever, and I think it's even longer than your trip to India.
It might be longer than my trip to India, that's true.
Yes.
So we have a first stop in Dallas, and then we are headed on a long flight to Tokyo. So a long day, good day. Ben will miss half of his birthday. Today is actually his birthday. So.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this is definitely more of a birthday trip for me. So if anybody wants to give me a birthday present out there, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and take some time to do that. We'd really appreciate it. And then you will also get notified every time we do something in Japan. So we're gonna be posting a bunch of videos from Japan. We're gonna go to a bunch of interesting places. Interestingly enough, Kayla doesn't know all of the things that we're doing.
I let him plan it.
Yes.
This, which is makes me look bad because you're planning your own birthday trip. But yes, he did all of the planning. So if he does a really good job, then he has the consequence of being the trip planner for the rest of our lives. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing, so it'll be a surprise along the way.
Right. So today we're stopping in Dallas Fort Worth. So we're gonna try to check out a few lounges there. Stay tuned for that next.
Anticipating a mostly smooth one, just a little bit of choppy air as we climb out of the Greensboro area. I've advised our flight attendants to remain seated until we can get to the spur. Once we're at increasing altitude, I'll update you on the arrival time and the weather conditions. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to Dallas Fort Worth, where the current local time is 8:52 a.m.
That was fun. We have about 3 hours here. So we're gonna go try to find something to do. I think we have a lounge pass. We might check to see if we can do a Centurion lounge, but we might also try something new. So we'll see.
Chick-fil-A's right there. If only we didn't have breakfast already. They gave us a pretty big breakfast on the plane. I did not expect that whatsoever for like a 2.5 hour flight. So that was a nice surprise.
All right, so we made it to the Centurion Lounge. There's a little tip here. If you are a Centurion Lounge member, especially if you have status with them, you can actually book some of the meeting rooms. That's absolutely what I recommend to do if you're looking for private or quiet time to kind of work on your computer, edit videos, etc., etc. You can always ask at the front desk if they have a meeting room that you can borrow. Typically they do it by the hour, so typically they only want you to book like 1 or 2 hours. So if you've got like a short layover like we do, we're only here for about 2.5 hours. So we just booked this for an hour, and then we're just going to kind of drink some coffee, drink some tea, and head off to Japan.
Yep. These chairs are really squeaky though. We've actually been in this room once before, and we can't remember like which trip we were in this room, but we definitely got this exact room, same airport once before. I think we were on our way to like Albuquerque or something like that. So those are fun videos. Go back and watch those videos. But yeah, we've been here before. It's kind of nostalgic.
Perfect. I just finished my first ever massage in a airport lounge. It was actually really nice. You could schedule a massage here, and they would give you a 15-minute head, neck, and shoulder rub. So I had a very nice masseuse. She's from Vietnam, and she gave me a bunch of tips about Vietnam and where to go. So I really appreciate her. So shout out to Lisa. So if you do come here to the Amex Lounge, she was a great masseuse and gave me great recommendations. And hopefully one day we'll travel to Vietnam. But we've got about 10-15 minutes. And one of the things that we like to do, especially on long flights, is to buy little sweet treats for the air hostesses and flight attendants. So that's what we're going to do here. So once Kayla gets back, We're going to pack our bags and then we're going to go into the airport and try to find some snacks so that we can give them to the air hostesses or flight attendants. I don't know what the proper term is. I think it's flight attendant, but I think hostess is also proper. I don't know. Comment down below if you know the proper terminology. All right, we will see you back in the airport.
Milk?
Yeah, you can do one.
Oh, there's an assorted one.
Yeah,
There
perfect.
you go.
I think it's the only assorted one I can see up there. That's crazy. Do you want any?
I don't think so. I have a few like cereal bars in my backpack, just in case.
Okay, Mom.
That'd be all for you.
I don't know if anybody else has seen the, there's like a reel where the guy's like in the airport and he like tilts his phone up. And I don't know if it's like AI or like modified, but it's like D1 through 500. And the guy's like, oh my God, are there 500 gates here? That's what it kind of feels like here. Cause like there's so many different like gates, there's so many different terminals. So it makes me laugh because I'll try to see if I can like find that reel and I'll try to link it down below. But I thought it was hilarious because some airports you get to, you just feel like there's so many different gates. You'll like never find your gate.
So we got them some chocolates and some gummy bears. So hopefully everybody is happy. If you don't like chocolate or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna be boarding in a couple minutes. So yeah, we'll see you on the plane.
The craziest thing just happened. They are hanging like happy birthday all over the airplane, which I was like confused because I was like, oh my gosh, is this for my birthday? And I kind of like joked with them and they were like, no, it's the entire crew's birthday as well today, which is just like mind-blowing to me. So yeah, it's I share a birthday with like half the people on the airplane, which is wild.
They don't know that you don't drink alcohol. That's funny.
We'll take it. It's a nice gesture.
It is a nice gesture. I'm about to get lit with two glasses. So they brought us some champagne because it's Ben's birthday as well as everybody else on the plane apparently. So we got some.
Well, not everybody else, just the flight attendants
flight
and
attendants.
one other person.
Yes.
So we are special.
Yes. So we have some champagne. Ben doesn't drink alcohol though, so I might have to drink both of these for us before takeoff. So, yep. But let's do a little seat tour. So we are in premium economy here on a 787. And we have it looks like a newer plane. We have some really nice screens. They gave us the noise canceling headphones, blankets, and pillows. And then we have a little amenities kit. We also have like a remote with these seats to play like some of the games and stuff. And we have lots of storage to store like our laptops and things. And then obviously we just get bigger seats, right? So it's very comfortable for a 13-hour flight. Something I also love is the footrests because my feet my legs are not very long, so it's nice to have a little footrest to get up off the floor. But yeah, let's do oh, and they also have the fancy windows that can like instead of the shades, they like change the tint on them, which is nice. So let's go through the amenities kit. I love all these little bags. I keep them all and I use them. I actually have one from Delta in my backpack right now. So we got some socks and a face mask, or not face mask, an eye mask. So if you want to sleep or get some comfy socks. We have some lip balm, which is always important because you get really dry on planes. Got some Tandem body lotion. I brought some of the stuff from my last kit. Like I actually do use these kits, so I like to take them home with me. A nice little dental kit and some earplugs. So very standard kit. So it's very cute. I'll take it.
All right, so we got a beef and rice.
It's like a pasta with broccoli and like a cheesy pasta with like potato salad and cheesecake. Looks really good, honestly. I'm happy.
So I just had like one of the most amazing experiences. They brought a little snickerdoodle cake for me to eat for my birthday. It's been amazing. I mean, the flight attendants have been so cool. I honestly feel kind of bad. Like, I feel like I'm taking stuff from them, which does not feel right. But I'm so happy that I get to do something like this. It's like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So I really can't turn it down. So thank you. I know they'll probably never see this video, but I really do want to say thank you to the flight attendants that were on the flight from Dallas to Tokyo. This has been an incredible experience. Thank you very much.
We made it. It's a long flight, but not too bad. It was good.
Yeah, I actually think I at least got in like 1 hour of sleep, maybe even 2. So way more than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting to sleep at all. So we'll see. We'll see how much further we make it today. I've got a few things planned, so we're going to try, but we'll give it a shot here. That was really intense.
Yeah, it was a quick
Not gonna lie.
boarding.
Yeah, we had some troubles with the credit card, which I think everybody warned me about. Let me take that off just for now because it's got fingerprints all over it. But yeah, we had some problems with our credit card in buying tickets, but the people at the counter were able to help. I would definitely recommend getting a Suica card, like either a physical one. I got a digital one. I'm not sure if it's the best idea. So we're kind of learning from that a little bit. But yeah, pretty stressful. Also, second note is if you register online for the QR code for immigration here, make sure that you register both people in your party, because I put Kayla's information in, but I never clicked register for her, so I never got a QR code for her. So totally my bad, but I think I've since corrected that, and now we're just going to ride the Kenzai SkyTrain for, I think it's like 45 minutes. But yeah, and then we'll be transitioning over to the GR Yamamoto line, or Yamanoto line. I don't know. But I have it on my phone, so I can't mess it up.
That's one very judgmental panda.
Wow. This is nice. Whole hotel is very fancy. Might have to put our bags in the bathroom.
Oh, I'm right here.
But oh, they gave us some snacks.
How very nice of them.
Yeah. Whew, I need to cool down. It's like 95. It's like today is like one of the hottest days here. It's like 95, 97 or something. High humidity. And we just walked from the train station, so just need to cool down.
It's toasty.
It is toasty.
I'm curious about the bathroom though. Oh, there's nice robes. Oh, there's a full bathtub. I'm happy.
All right, so we both showered. We kind of relaxed for a little bit, and now we're going to go out and get some dinner. I think tonight we're probably gonna do a convenience store dinner, which might sound not good, but if those of you that don't know, Japan is like really well known for their convenience store food and stuff as well, because they have like onigiri and stuff like that. So we're gonna try that out, and then we need to get some cash as well while we're there. Maybe we'll talk to the concierge and see if there's any local things to do that they recommend for tomorrow. And then I think we're just gonna come back and maybe go to bed early tonight. It's almost 7 o'clock already, so yeah, we're really tired. We haven't slept in like 30 hours, so yeah.
All right, so we're on a bit of a mission here. We have to stop at Lawson's and go to the ATM, get some cash, and then the next part is we're gonna go to this, what would you call that? Like,
It's a ramen place.
yeah, it's like a ramen place. So we're gonna get some food, and we're gonna have it.
That was a great recommendation from the concierge.
Mint.
It was so good. We had no idea what to do, really. It was like you picked like each individual item that goes in the dish, and then you like buy like with a machine, and then you paid
pick
for the ticket.
size of the ramen that you wanted on top of it.
Yeah, and then you get like these little tickets, and you give these tickets to them, and they make it to order. And there's only like enough seating for like 14 people.
Maybe.
And by the time we got out, there was a line like on the street. So that's
You know, that's how you know it's a good spot.
of
right?
all locals. So I
Yeah.
mean, that's how you know it's good. So highly recommend that.
Yeah, I think the what dumplings? I think the dumplings that I had are probably the best dumplings that I've ever had. I really don't think I can think of anything in recent memory that has been better than that. So
Sizes are big. So like
yes, we ordered a small and a medium, and both of us are very full.
Yeah, the medium was a little too big for me.
Yeah, so if unless you can really put away a lot, you know, be careful with
Everybody
your.
else got like larges. I felt like
I don't know if everybody else got larges, but people at least got mediums, and you know, I'm sure there's some people who got larges, but I don't know if I could actually do that. So might be a little bit too much for me. I think we're gonna head back to our hotel. It's getting dark out, and just have a little bit of sweet treats that are in our room and go to bed.
Yep.
All right, that is it for this video. If you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe to us. We'd love to grow subscribers. That's one of our biggest goals right now. So would really appreciate it if you went ahead and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more coming up on this trip. We have a lot more of Japan to see. We have a few more cities in Japan to see. So if you're interested in Kyoto or Hakone or Osaka, we're going to see all three of those, and then after this trip, we're going to go all the way to South Korea. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be releasing videos pretty much once a week. Every once in a while, we might skip a week just because we're busy. And we will see you on the next video. All right, time for bed.